Welcome back. So we are going to work on some pumpkin designs. I already kind of have these done, but I want to do a change to them, I think, because I'm not sure how well I did them. Edit sketch. So 12 by 11 for depth. That seems kind of deep. Let's go 7. And there's a pumpkin lantern right there. We have a nice stem. So did we do the sides? All the sides? Inside 12. I'm going to close that one. I'm going to open this up and we're going to just kind of go off of this. Refresh that. Top stem, bottom. So I think they're kind of big. To the front, back, side, side. So the sides are all the same. Let's close this. Open. Sketch. So we have 12 by 8. So I'm going to go 7 on that. Finish sketch. Pin lantern. Did we save that? No, we didn't. So you come back in and the back. Open, 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 open. Where's the open button? You see the open button, anyone? There we are. That sketch. The 12. I'm going 7. Maybe we'll make it a little bit bigger. There. Just gives me a good idea of how it's going to look. Well, looks like our bit rate's a little off. That looks okay. Maybe we'll go back to the 8. Do we want to do 8? We could do 8. I'm also thinking of material. No, that one's not what we want. We want that. Edit sketch. So 3/4, we go 8, 7. I'm gonna try 8.25. Finish sketch. Save. Okay. Yeah, there's no reason we can't just go 8. It was 8.5. Let's just go 8. Save. Okay. Pumpkin lantern. Refresh. Yeah, that means pumpkin fronts need to be. Looks like you need to be stood up. Go back top. Doesn't matter so much. We're gonna change the size of that. All right. Well, we have these guys, which need to be opened up. Front, front, front. Pumpkin lantern, front. Open. Edit sketch. Oh, you're 8 already, so that's a pretty good idea there. No, I don't want to do that. Boom, boom. To drag him around. So I like the little stem on top. They're kind of cool. One thing I need to practice with Fusion is the mates and assemblies. I haven't had to do them that often. We're gonna go. I do them actually quite a bit, but maybe we'll play with that one day. Edit sketch. So we got an inch on each side. We're 10 by 10. Which seems to be pretty good. "12" height with a little thing in the back for your candle, which is not a fire candle. How do we have these set up? We have a bunch of pumpkins. Must have made a bunch of fronts. Yeah. Front one, right there. I just need to make kind of a cut list for myself. I think I've done this before. Most of these, all these pieces can be cut. Make some 8-inch pieces, and we can just cut the front and the back. It's a lot of messing around, actually. 10 by 10. We'd have to make a glue up for that. Right. Pumpkin Lantern 1. Save that. Go to render. How do they look rendered? Render. So would we have some views on there? That's within the sketch. Don't necessarily want. Something shows the origin. We don't need the origin visible. Okay. Now we would want to do a setup. Cancel. To scene setting. We're going to just do a solid color. Ooh, that's pretty intense. We'll go this route. More blue than green, but less neon-y. Maybe something like that. These can all be closed. There. Closed. Right. Let's go to appearance. We go into the appearance area. And go paint. Really? Why does my life suck? Apparently we did an update and now we have to update. Every time there's an update. So let's just do some mahogany on there because we can pretend it's stained wood. There. That looks pretty good. Have to do an update. Yeah, that's pretty good. And I kind of keep the back there. There's a little bit of a lip on there. I like it. With the stem. So it's an assembly now. can I get a list? Generate, close process, manage tool library, inspect. What can we export? Oh, we can. I know I can come up with a list of materials somehow. So we do front. What do you say? 1/4? Yeah. I don't want you to sit there yet. Okay. Projected view. Okay. Modify. Tables. Parts list. Yes. Steel. Well, we're not making them out of steel. I like that. And a revision marker. We gotta have a revision marker there. Yes. We should probably change the material we make up because they're not made out of steel, right? And I don't really need one of those. I'm just having some fun. But I don't really need them to be edit view. It can be like that. Yeah, that's fine. And then we can do dimensions. 10. That one we don't need. So that's 12. These are 7. 12 by 7. These are 12. By 8. We don't really have a back on here, do we? Don't really need a parts list. Well, it's 8. There, you can make it all kind of fancy. Yep, that works for me. And then we just PDF export that. There's a lantern. One. Admin project Halloween. Save. Yeah. Perfect. File, save. Pumpkin Lantern 1. Boom. So does this like automatically populate itself? Okay. I don't know. Pumpkin Lantern, side, front. Right, so what we would want to do is make some Pumpkin Lantern programs. We go design, manufacture, and I think there's probably a setup for some of these. Look at that. We just edit and see what our piece is like. So it's in the center. What did we make our 3/4 of an inch? That works. I wouldn't mind having them a little bit more, but that takes more time. Edit. There we go. Sometimes when I start cutting stuff, then I know what my blank is going to be. You can always just take a picture with your camera. So I know what all my sides are. Basically going to be 8 by 12 or 7 by 12. Where are you, Pumpkin Lantern? There you are. I want them to be orange, but can't do that right now because I have to do an update. I just did a quick picture of that. And yeah, that's about all I needed to do. It's a quick one. It's gonna save. And thanks for dropping by.